Milan Metro. So I will be spending 2 days here, entire 2 days, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Sunday and Monday. So first I have to know how can I use metro. Then only I can go around. Line is M3 metro, but I have to see which direction I have to take. This is San Donato, and you can see M2. These are all metro lines. So I have to check Google like which. That is M2 line. So which line I have to take? M3 metro plan. So I am at Centrale, Milano Centrale. I have to take M3 and go to Zara, and from there I have to change. So I have to take train going Comosina. So I have to train going to Comosina, M3. So that means I am on right platform. So just now one train left, but as this is metro, we have every 2-3 minutes metro in Milan or any other city. So I will take next metro train. So it is coming already. So then I will get down at Zara, 2 stops after this. So that was out of service train. This is the correct train. So M3. Oh. M5. So I have to go all the way to. I am in Zara, so I have to go Sensio. So 1, 2, 3, 4th stop. So M5 train is in 1.5 minutes. San Siro, going to San Siro Stadio. So I have to get down at San Siro, 4th, 5th stop from here. Train has come. So it is full of people. Milan is very busy, very popular. Down from Metro 5. So now I have to walk for 600 meters for my hostel for next 2 nights. It is mentioned that I have to exit Sensio, the station, via Messina. See clearly. So I have to take left and I have to go straight for 600 meters. So I am going in this way. So after going up, this is metro map of Milan. So I will save it for next 2 days as I have to travel everywhere in Milan city. My first impressions of Milan, like central Milan. I was coming by metro, by train, but this is Milan Central, like center of the city. I have to walk 200 meters and take right. It is 7 p.m. Still we can see sunshine because this is spring in Europe. Beautiful trees and buildings. I'm just 250 meters away from my hostel. So excellent. So I never experienced Milan. I never visited. I always traveled by Milano Central Station, but never came out and visited city. So that is the reason I am staying here for 2 nights, so that I can visit, explore Milan city. This is one of the fashion capital alongside Paris, New York, London.
Turn left.
Hostel for next 2 days, 2 nights. Looks excellent. Meininger, Milan. So I am just going to check in now. It is 7 p.m.
You should have waited. That means you should have gone. So we back to
This is the entrance. Now it is 7:30, not 7 o'clock. Check-in time starts at 3 p.m. This is excellent. See the reception, sitting area, like working area, workplace. This is reception, taking rest. I have checked in 3rd floor, room number D. I can take any bed because I am the first person. And my room number is 307. So I have to go via this door. 301, 313, 312. kitchen. So nice corridor. P5 307. This is my room for next 2 nights. Nice room. No one is there. I am the first person to check in, so I can take any bed I want. So I will take that bed, last bed. Even toilet is there, excellent. So good. I can put luggage, put my jackets, trousers, everything. Excellent, very good. Spacious. The kitchen for guest kitchen is called. So microwave available. So all the tables. So we can cook our own food or ready-made meals. We can prepare. We can prepare tea. We have kettle, plates, cups, mugs. So everything is good. So I have just bought a sandwich, or it's called panini. So I'm just going to heat in this microwave. You can see. So this is 6 euros. So I have to eat in microwave and this maintainer. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి. లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి. లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.